Good morning and welcome to another Cernal info session, or as you know it by now, Speak a Bikkie Soaps. Once again, myself Stefan here with Daniel by my side, or as you all know him by now, Ogrota. Ogrota, thank you for being here today again.
Thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure. So today we are handling Tetramine 2008. That's the product name. No, the 2008 is not the manufacture date, it is the product classification. So Daniel, I see this liquid here of the Tetramine. Now explain to me what it is, what it's used for and how to use it.
So Stefan, Tetramine, it's a food safety product for the food industry. It is there to basically a sanitizing product to disinfect and all that your tables and so where you work with food, to clean and disinfect in those areas. It is not tannin to food, so you can use it in any area where you work with food to clean or disinfect. It is food safety.
Okay. I know a lot of the clients use it in the cold rooms, yes, or in your meat rooms. It's an amazing product when it comes to smells. If that's in a refrigerator, if it's in a meat room, the moment you have a smell of old meat or older meat, and you wash it down with the Tetramine, firstly, the Tetramine doesn't have an odor, it's odorless, but it absorbs all the other odors. Is that correct?
Yes, that is so. So the best way I would recommend to use it, just put it in a spray bottle, and as you go, then you spray the surface that you want to clean, and just wipe it off.
Great.
And rinse.
Great. And it's available in 5 liters and in 25 kg.
Yes, and we also sell the spray bottle.
Yeah, as always, when it comes to Cernal chemicals, we don't just give you the soaps and say, off you go clean. We sell you all the necessary equipment as well. So everything from a lappy to a broom to a mop, a trigger sprayer, and even the toilet paper. So we do everything regarding the equipment. I mean, we can't make it much easier for the clients to have a clean kitchen.
We are a one-stop shop, so yes.
Yes.
Lekker. That's Tetramine.
That's Tetramine. Thank you. We are going to a demonstration video. It's a difficult one to demonstrate because you can't get odors through the phone, not yet. Maybe in the future you would be able to smell on a video. But have a look at the demo. If there's any questions, more than welcome to contact either myself or Daniel. All the information will be provided at the end of the video. Thank you very much, and have a clean kitchen.
Cernal chemicals, kitchen laundry house. Cernal chemicals, chemicals you can